Fog is one of the strangest natural forces on Earth. It can turn a normal city into a ghost town in minutes. Some places don't just get fog occasionally, they live inside it almost every single day. In this video, we'll explore 12 of the most foggy and mysterious places on Earth, where visibility disappears and nature feels unreal. San Francisco, California, USA. Few major cities in the world have fog as consistent and iconic as San Francisco. This isn't occasional mist, it's a repeating system that rolls in like a living thing, swallowing neighborhoods, bridges, and skylines. The main driver is the cold Pacific water and the inland heat of California. Warm air rises over the interior, pulling cool, moist air toward the coast. That air hits its dew point and becomes a thick marine layer that funnels straight through the Golden Gate. What makes it feel unreal is how fast it moves. One side of the city can be sunny, while the other side disappears into white silence. The fog isn't random here, it's part of the city's daily rhythm. The Faroe Islands, Denmark. The Faroe Islands sit in the North Atlantic like a mist trap. Cool ocean air, constant moisture, and steep cliffs combine to create a landscape where fog feels permanent, not occasional. The air here stays near saturation most of the year. When moist air meets the island's sudden elevation, it rises, cools, and condenses into low cloud and fog that wraps around hillsides and fills valleys. It's the kind of fog that doesn't just drift past, it settles. Roads vanish, cliffs fade into white, and the islands look like they're floating in the clouds. The Namib Desert Coastal Fog Belt, Namibia. The Namib is one of the driest deserts on Earth, yet its coastline is regularly buried in thick fog. In some places, fog is more reliable than rainfall, which makes this region feel almost unnatural. The reason is the cold Benguela Current. Cold water chills the air above it, creating a stable layer that forms fog and low cloud. Winds push that fog inland, where it spills over dunes like slow-moving smoke. The fog here isn't just weather, it's survival. In a landscape where rain is rare, plants and insects literally harvest moisture from the fog itself. Cape Horn, Chile. Cape Horn sits at the edge of a world where the Atlantic and Pacific meet the Southern Ocean. And the atmosphere here is almost always wet, cold, and unstable. Fog in this region isn't calm and peaceful. It comes with wind, drizzle, and cloud immersion, driven by constant storms and near-saturated air masses. Visibility drops fast, and coastlines can disappear completely. Historically, this made Cape Horn one of the most feared navigation zones on Earth. Not just because of waves, but because fog could hide danger until it was too late. The Po Valley, Italy. Northern Italy's Po Valley is one of Europe's most fog-prone regions, especially in autumn and winter. It's not coastal fog or mountain fog, it's basin fog, created by geography trapping cold air. The valley is surrounded by the Alps and the Apennines, forming a giant natural bowl. During long winter nights, the ground cools, air reaches saturation, and fog forms under temperature inversions that prevent it from clearing. In strong fog episodes, visibility can drop to just a few meters. Entire cities like Milan can be buried at the same time, creating the feeling of a whole region operating inside a cloud. The Atacama Desert Coastal Fog Belt, Chile and Peru. The Atacama is famous for being extremely dry, but its coastline experiences frequent fog known locally as Comanchica. It forms a long fog belt that hugs the Pacific edge. This happens because of the cold Humboldt Current. Cold water cools the air above it, creating a stable marine layer that turns into fog when it drifts inland. In some areas, fog is so reliable that humans have built fog harvesting systems to collect water. The desert stays dry, but the coastline lives in mist. The Central Valley, California, USA. The Central Valley produces one of the most dangerous fog systems in North America, Tule fog. This isn't light mist, it can become dense enough to reduce visibility to near zero. It forms mainly in winter when soil moisture is high and long nights cool the air close to the ground. Since the valley is surrounded by mountains, cold air gets trapped and temperature inversions prevent the fog from lifting. This fog can last for days, sometimes weeks. Drivers can go from clear air to complete whiteout in seconds, which is why Tule fog has caused some of the worst highway pileups in U.S. history. The Great Smoky Mountains, USA. The Great Smoky Mountains are named for their haze and mist, and the name is accurate. Fog here is so common it feels like the mountains are constantly breathing clouds. Warm, humid air rises into the mountains and cools, forming fog through orographic lifting. But the forests also play a role. The vegetation releases moisture through transpiration, increasing humidity and making fog easier to form. The result is a landscape where valleys fill with mist, ridges vanish into cloud, and visibility can shift from clear to whiteout within minutes. Mount Washington, New Hampshire, USA. Mount Washington is famous for extreme weather, and fog is one of its most constant features. The summit spends a huge portion of the year inside cloud cover. The reason is elevation and airflow. Moist air is forced upward over the mountain, cools rapidly, and condenses into fog and cloud. The mountain effectively manufactures its own fog through orographic lifting. What makes it dangerous is how quickly conditions change. A clear view can disappear in minutes, and with the wind speeds Mount Washington is known for, fog becomes a fast-moving wall instead of a gentle mist. The Meghalaya Plateau, India. Meghalaya sits along the edge of the Himalayas and directly in the path of moisture coming from the Bay of Bengal. This creates some of the most persistent fog and low cloud conditions on Earth. Warm, humid air rises rapidly when it hits the plateau's steep cliffs. Cooling happens instantly, producing thick fog that can last for hours and sometimes entire days. The region is known for extreme rainfall, but even outside heavy rain, the air remains saturated. Fog here isn't rare, it's part of daily life. Point Reyes, California, USA. Point Reyes is one of the foggiest coastal areas in the United States. It's positioned perfectly for marine layer fog to form and push inland. Cold ocean water cools the air, and inland heat pulls that cool air toward the land. When it rises over Point Reyes cliffs and ridges, condensation forms thick fog that spills into valleys like a slow wave. It's especially common during summer, which feels backwards, but that's exactly what makes marine fog systems so powerful. Dry season inland heat makes fog more frequent, not less. Huangshan/Yellow Mountain, China. Huangshan is famous worldwide for its peaks rising above a sea of clouds. But that isn't a rare postcard moment. Fog and mist are normal conditions here. Moist air is forced upward as it hits the mountains. Cooling creates thick fog that can completely cover ridges, cliffs, and forests, often changing visibility from clear to invisible in seconds. This is mountain fog at its most dramatic. One peak can be bright and visible, while the next peak vanishes like it was erased. Fog isn't just weather, it's an experience, a veil that transforms landscapes into something otherworldly. From bustling cities to remote mountains and coasts, these 12 places show just how powerful and mysterious fog can be. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's mistiest corners, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. There's plenty more hidden wonders waiting to be explored.